In business news, Scotia Investments Senior Manager of Wealth Services, Shireen Todd, says in a release that Scotia Investments Jamaica Limited local trust funds ranked number 1 in performance, beating competitors for 2024. For example, the Scotia Premium Short-Term Income Fund generated a rate of return of 8.68% from investments in short-term fixed income securities and money market securities. The Scotia Premium Growth Fund generated a rate return of 9.64%, which ranked it in the top 3 of the 9 funds in its peer group. It also outperformed the Jamaica Stock Exchange's main index, which climbed by 6.54% for the year. The executives continue to shift their stock market portfolio in the listed companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited has advised that the director purchased 35 million Indies shares on March 19, 2025. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has organized a CEO forum, fortifying the CEO decision-making in the age of AI, in association with Amazon Inc. and McKinsey & Company, focusing on the impact of AI on business leadership and decision-making. Kevin Powell, principal of JSE eCampus, tells us more.
Thank you, Denise. It's my pleasure being here to talk about a very, as you said, auspicious event that's happening next week, Thursday, March 27, at the Courtly Hotel and Suites. It's the 3rd annual CEO Forum of the Jamaica Stock Exchange's eCampus. And this forum is an auspicious one because we're doing it in partnership and in collaboration with our international consulting firm and partners, McKinsey & Company. The title of this event is Unlocking Potential, Leadership Strategies for Success in Navigating Global Uncertainties. And certainly we are living in a world that's ever-changing, volatile, ever, advancing with technology and digital transformation. And so to unpack and unearth knowledge and information and just kind of an opportunity for CEOs to network and to share their own experiences. An investment in this workshop is very crucial. There is a misunderstanding, perhaps an assumption that CEOs know everything, but that's not true. We are giving CEOs an opportunity for them to learn more, to share, and to grow from this experience. For more information about our upcoming forum, I want you to visit our website, the jseecampus.com. That's jseecampus.com/events. And you will go there to that page and you'll register and you will read up more about the event. We have profile of our speakers, we have the agenda for the day, and we certainly have an overview and a brief of what to expect on that day. So that's jseecampus.com/events, and you will learn more about this event. And certainly we want you to register for this upcoming event on March 27th, 2025 at the Courtly Hotel and Suites beginning at 9 a.m.
Time now for the market highlights with Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending March 20, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Pharmaceutical distribution firm Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited ordinary shares with 9,925,199 units traded, representing 37.96% of market sales volume. Real estate and billboard advertising firm Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,946,033 units traded, representing 7.44% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,749,988 units traded, representing 6.69% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 20, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $66.77 million purchased and US $55.42 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.35 per dollar, selling the US at $157.56 and buying the US at $156.21. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 25 cents per transaction, with selling at $109.83 and buying at $109.58. The British pound yielded Forex traders $6.65 in profit, with selling at $205.95 and buying at $199.30.
For our credit report tip of the day, if you owe more than $300,000 and feel like there's no way out, bankruptcy could be the financial reset you need. While it does come with challenges, the structure of the bankruptcy process in Jamaica is designed to help you eliminate debt, protect essential assets, and rebuild over the next 7 years. First, create a timeline for the financial recovery. The 7-year timeline for bankruptcy in Jamaica allows you to plan long-term. By the time your bankruptcy record is removed, you can be in a much stronger financial position with good credit habits in place. Second, it gives you a second chance at wealth creation. Bankruptcy is not the end of your financial journey. It is the beginning of a smarter, more strategic approach to money. By learning from past mistakes and taking advantage of new opportunities, you can build a stronger financial future.